Hi guys, my name is Robin and I've been with LivBay Lash for about 2 years now. This channel is dedicated to all things lashes and beauty, so if you haven't already, please subscribe. In today's video, we are going to be showing you guys 3 ways on how to lash faster. When you're a beginner to lashes, a good way to achieve quicker turn times is to turn to pre-mades and pinch at the same time. That way you can get the practice of pinching, but then turn to the pre-mades if you're running out of time. In pre-made fans, they can be ranged anywhere from 5D to 10D and can go up and down. But when you have a pro-made fan, you're the one that determines how many lashes you're picking up and how big of a fan you want to do. So when you first start lashing, it's a really good idea to kind of throw in your pre-made fans and your pro-made fans. If you don't feel comfortable enough to do a full pro-made, handmade fan set, then you can go ahead and throw in the pre-mades and do your pro-made fans. That way it just gives you time to practice and really get hands-on. And if your time is running out, then you can turn to those pre-made fans as well. Another way to get faster is honestly just to practice. If you haven't learned how to pinch yet, click the video above to learn how to pinch and make your own custom fans. When I first started, I would practice everywhere. I sat at the dinner table and lashed, I laid on my bed and watched movies and lashed, and I often would grab a makeup sponge and just black out that makeup sponge with volume fans just so I could get quicker and I'd be able to pinch it and then put it on my sponge, pinch it, put it on the sponge. It eventually becomes muscle memory, and then you can also start to time yourself. So I just set a timer on my phone and see how long it'd take me to bust out a mega full set or a classic full set, and just kind of compare those times and watch my time drop down and get shorter and shorter. Another great tip for you guys is to make sure that your setup is clean and works efficiently for you. So one little small tip is when you're lashing, I'll hold my volume tweezer and then I have my isolating tweezer. I notice a lot of people will set down their isolating tweezer when they go to pinch, and that little bit of time that you're reaching for and setting it down, that's gonna add up. And so when I'm going to pinch, I'll take my isolator and I just tuck it in my hand just like this. That way I can pinch, it's pointed towards myself and it's not gonna touch the client at all. And then when you're ready to go and lash again, you can just flip it out and you already have it in your hand and you're not wasting any time reaching for it. Little things like that takes time and it'll add up, and towards the end of the appointment, you don't know how much time you spent just setting your tweezer down and picking it up. So you want to make sure that your routine works efficiently and makes you faster. Another tip that really helps me is placing my lash tile right next to my client's head on my recliner. By placing the tile next to your client's head, you don't have to travel as far of a distance, so it gives you time to place that lash before the glue dries. Those are just a few tips on how to lash faster. There's so many more ways out there, but these are just a few ones that have helped me personally and my coworkers as well. Thank you so much for watching today's video. We hope that you found a ton of value in it. Question for you, what has helped you lash faster and get quicker turn times? Leave your answer in the comments below and we'll see you in the next video.